This is the second session of Consumer Satisfaction and Protection, the 10th chapter in SS2. We have already discussed there are three important fundamentals for protecting the rights of consumers. They are different kinds of laws, administrative measures, and consumer education, etc. Already we have discussed the first portion, that is the features or characteristics of the laws related with the protection of consumer rights. Now we are going to discuss the administrative measures and importance of the consumer education to protect the rights of the consumers. The first among them is administrative mechanism. Let's go through a news which related with the day-to-day activities to protect the interests of consumers, and it gives the details of the different departments and institutions working for the protection of consumers' interest. Watch the screen. These are the important institutions, and it describes its functions too. In addition to these institutions, there are some symbols that are given on the basis of assessing the standard of products and institutions. We are very familiar with ISI marks, ISO marks, and BIS, etc. Now you are watching the table which describes such symbols that gives the details of the products. The administrative mechanisms has its own limitations. So, official mechanisms and laws alone cannot ensure the satisfaction of the consumers. Intervention of the entire society is necessary for protecting the rights of consumers. Then how we can intervene in such situations? These are the important steps taken by the society for protecting the interests of consumers. Then consumer education is the next point, that is very important because variety in products, personal interest, increasing demands, influence of market force, etc. has complicated and widened the scope of consumption. So consumer education is necessary. What are the ways by which consumer education can be ensured? Look at the screen. These are the important means. Then, how the consumers can be empowered through consumer education? And watch the screen. These are the important points through which the consumers can be empowered through consumer education. And let's see what habits will be formed as a result of consumer education programs. Watch the screen. These are the change in the habit of the consumers when they were empowered with the consumer education.